Hey, welcome to the show. We are going to be going, one of our sensors went off, and there is a dinosaur up here that we're going to be taking. It's a broccoliosaurus. It eats broccoli?
No, it eats trees.
It eats trees.
It ate 57, it normally eats 57.
Usually it eats, what, 57 trees in a day?
Yeah, but now it ate 3 times the amount.
It ate 3 times that amount today? Usually it eats 57 trees, and it ate 3 times that amount.
Yes.
I don't know how much that is. Right now, let's go to the Dino lab, figure out how many trees it's eating right now. Because
so we can replant them.
We're going to replant those trees?
Yeah.
I have to go and replant the trees tomorrow.
No, so the robots will do it.
We're getting robots.
Yeah, we have robots. Don't you know that? We just ordered them yesterday.
Nobody told me about the order of the robots. All right, so we got drones and robots that are going to plant these trees.
Yeah.
But we have 57 trees times 3. Okay, let's go to the Dino lab, figure this out, and then we'll come back. Very good question, Ranger Jeff and Lucas. So you have a dinosaur that usually eats 57 trees each day, and now it is eating 3 times that amount. Good thing you came to the Dino lab. We'll figure it out. So my name is Dr. Danowski. I can help you. Let me get my pen here. This is not my pen. Oh, before I forget right here, this is a new tracker I am developing. So if you get lost in the woods, you just press this little eye right here, and it will send out a tracking beacon, and I will be able to find you. But I need to do some work on that. Okay, let me get that is not my pen. I have my pen right here. So we have 57 trees that this dinosaur usually eats, correct? Correct. Okay, so I write 57 right here. 5, 7. Now we need to multiply that times 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. So I put the multiplication sign here and 3. If I'm going too fast for you, just pause the video. If I'm going too slow for you, just speed it up. So now, multiplication. We take this number here, right here, and I multiply it to the 7. 3 times the 7. Do you know what 3 times the 7 is? Yes, 21. So I put the little 1 right here, and I put the 2 over here. You are going to add the 2. A 2. So now, the next step, I take this number right here, and I multiply it to this number right there. 3 times 5, 5, 10, 15. 15. Don't not forget to add that 2 right there. 15, 16, 17. So, I put the 17 right here. Oh no. We have big problem. Your new dinosaur is eating 171 trees. You need to figure something out because it's going to eat up the whole forest. You need to get it out of that valley. Okay, all right, back to you, Ranger Jeff and Lucas. Take a look at that, Lucas. That is gigantic. Okay, okay, stop right there. You can get a little closer there. Look at that head right above you. Oh my goodness, that is super big. Wow. Yeah, careful. It's getting a little nervous that you're in its way of wanting to eat that tree there. Yeah, you can stay there. You're fine. You're fine. My goodness. Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to get the invisible robot drones to replant all those trees. Again, you didn't tell me about the robots. Nope, nobody sends me the memo on that. That is one tall dinosaur.
Yeah.
And it's eating a lot of the trees. You didn't tell me that you ordered drones, but I guess the drones are going to be helping with planting the new trees. Yeah, okay.
I told you.
Okay, you need to send me a Post-it note, okay? Yellow Post-it note. Put it on the refrigerator.
And they're coming tomorrow, not today.
They're coming tomorrow. Okay. I was actually gonna have a little party tomorrow.
Wait, what's that?
That-
It says they're earlier. They're coming today.
They're coming today? Oh,
Yeah.
goodness gracious. Hey, anyway, we got a busy day ahead of us. Please hit that subscribe button down below, hit the likey button, and like always, have a fun day out there. Adios. Goodbye.